There are two blessings in your life. One is health and second is free time. So you should use your healthy life when you will you will be sick in your life. You cannot do good activities if you want to do good activities. So you should be careful about your health. Another, free time. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you a moment of free time. You should use in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But when you will be old, you cannot do good activities if you want to do many activities. So you should use your life in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by using properly free time and good health. Assalamu alaikum.